Hi there friends, my name is Luann. Well, when it comes to crafting a balanced and delicious keto meal, a well thought out side dish can make all the difference. If you're following a gluten-free diet or a low-carb lifestyle, you might think your options are limited, but fear not. Today, this colorful 4-ingredient side dish is your solution. To begin this recipe, gather 1 medium-sized zucchini, 1 medium-sized yellow squash, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Now, after washing your vegetables, begin slicing each into rounds, roughly of the same thickness, which is around 1/4 inch. Zucchinis and yellow squashes are low in carbohydrates, making them keto-friendly. This dish helps you maintain your low-carb intake while indulging in a satisfying side. Also, there are no gluten-containing ingredients in this recipe, making it safe for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Once all of your vegetables are sliced, preheat your oven to 375 degrees and grab an 8x8 dish and begin assembling the dish. Now, to do this, arrange the zucchinis, the yellow squash, and the tomatoes in an alternating pattern. Well, now that you have your vegetables assembled in the dish, let's add the mozzarella. Okay, now that everything is packed beautifully into the dish, we're going to sprinkle it with some garlic powder, and then once you have it seasoned, let's place another 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Okay, you're ready to bake this up in your 375-degree oven for 25 minutes. The vibrant colors of this side dish make it a visually stunning addition to any meal, and we all know that we eat with our eyes first. So the next time you're planning a keto-friendly meal, consider including this dish for a side that is as beautiful as it is delicious. If you enjoyed today's side dish, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this one out. I'd also love to know if you have any tips or additional ideas for this recipe. Thanks again for being here today, friends, and here's a couple more recipes that I think you'll enjoy. See you next time.